Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore how FortiGate leverages the continue form item from an external captive portal to control post-authentication redirection. The external portal can dynamically specify a user's destination after login, providing a more flexible authentication flow. We'll authenticate two users with different roles and demonstrate how each user is automatically redirected to the appropriate landing page after successful authentication. Let's walk through the setup. The configuration is simple. First, configure the Radius server and user group as usual. Then, on the interface where you want to enable the captive portal, configure two key settings. The first is Security External Web, which specifies the URL of the external authentication portal. The second is Security Redirect URL, which specifies the fallback destination when the external portal does not return a continue form item. In this example, the fallback URL is cozyresort.com/employees.html. FortiAuthenticator is used as the external captive portal. Users are presented with customized login pages based on their roles. One portal response includes a continue form item, while the other does not. No additional CLI commands or GUI changes are required. FortiGate automatically processes the continue form item when it is included in the post request from the external portal. First, a resort guest in room 4190 attempts to access google.ca. FortiGate intercepts the request and redirects the guest to the external authentication portal. After successful authentication, the portal returns a continue form item specifying the Cozy Resort guest page. FortiGate uses this value to redirect the guest to the appropriate page. Next, an employee attempts to access google.ca. FortiGate intercepts the request, initiates captive portal authentication, and redirects the employee to the external authentication portal. After the employee successfully authenticates, the portal does not return a continue form item. FortiGate therefore redirects the employee to the Cozy Resort employee page, configured using Security Redirect URL. This concludes our demonstration of how FortiGate supports dynamic and fallback post-authentication redirection with an external captive portal. Thank you for watching.